Good morning from Sahagun. Today is Saturday, the 21st of September. I remember what day it is today. And I am walking 17 kilometres to El Burgo Ranero. It sounds like a cowboy town. I want to play that cowboy music, and I can imagine cacti and hats and all that sort of stuff. So the weather is cool, a high of 21, fantastic walking again, and the rain that was supposed to be falling today fell last night. So hopefully it will be a rain-free day and a great walking day. So I've arrived at the cross the river location and it's closed. The bridge is closed, so we are taking a diversion. Then, after confidently discussing with another pilgrim that the rain had come last night and there was no rain today, here I am with an umbrella up. So Sahagun is now behind me. Gosh, some pilgrims pass me at the most incredible speed. The man with the red backpack cover, he is moving at least 6 kilometres an hour, I'd say. The road out of Sahagun follows the trail, Camino de Santiago. So for these first 4 kilometres, I have been on a dirt and grass track beside the road, but it's a pretty quiet road. There's actually very few cars that go by, so also it's Saturday morning, so things are a little quiet. Important decision to be made here, but it's really disconcerting when the arrows, the official arrows, point the way that you know you shouldn't be going. So the plan is walk a little way down the track and stop, have a look at the map and see if I'm going the right way. I think I am. I need to be left. So we're continuing on the ubiquitous gravel path next to a road, very quiet road, but over there is the motorway and you can definitely hear it. And to the left are fields and fields and fields of spinach, but in the distance. Can you see them? Still the sunlight. 360.7 kilometres to go. I have to say, that feels good. And the avenue of trees continues, no doubt providing really valuable shade to pilgrims who are walking in the hot summer months. And another field of corn. Feels like home when I see corn. This is interesting. A kind of archway gate, pretty much in the middle of nowhere, but covered in people's stickers. And hooray for Burgo, because there's bound to be a lunch and coffee stop here. I feel a bit mean saying this, but the towns in this part of Spain, including Sahagun, are not very picturesque. trees are still marching along beside the path. Fantastic. The road continues by the road. Freshly ploughed fields, and looking back from where I've come. The motorway has been racing along on my right all day. I haven't heard it because I've been listening to music to drown it out. But I'm nearly at my destination and I'm crossing under the motorway. My destination is Burgo Ranero, but my resting place is on a side road just outside of town, and I can see it coming on my left. I just couldn't resist playing some cowboy themed music when Burgo Ranero came into view. Even though Burgo Ranero is my destination today, it is not my resting place. I have a unique resting place today at a truck stop right off the motorway. Well, this is what you get at a truck stop. Beds, dark room, jolly good bathroom, humongous shower. There is no way I'm complaining about this. I am very, very happy and looking forward to a lie down. And then after the lie down, I enjoyed a protein-packed dinner, steak and eggs, and it was fantastic. Today I walked 18 kilometres over 5 hours. The guidebook, or my guidebook, describes the stage as a uniform stage of unremarkable farmlands that tests the ability of pilgrims to make peace with solitude. Yep, the video today is probably boring, reflecting that, but for me, I'm excited to be 18 kilometres closer to Santiago de Compostela, and I feel content with that.